Good morning, dear students. So today we are going to learn about the order, numerical orders. Now, which are the two orders? One is increasing order and another one is a decreasing order. Yes, so increasing order is also called as the ascending order and decreasing order is called as the descending order. Okay, now increasing order means what? As we learned it in the last year's class, that is class first. Increasing order means arranging the numbers from smallest to the biggest. Yes, so when we are writing the numbers from smaller to the bigger side, it is called as the increasing order, or it is also called as the ascending order. Okay, now here ascending is starting from a, and let's consider this a as an ant, and ant is smaller one, so we have to write first smaller number and last bigger number. Okay, so from smaller to the bigger is called as ascending order. Okay, now here they given four numbers 85, 110, 60 and 142, and we have to arrange it in the ascending order. Okay, so in this four, which one is smaller? Now how to find out the smaller or the greater number? When we are comparing any numbers, first see whether the number is of two digits or three digits, because the number with the more digits is always greater or the bigger. Yes, so here this 85 is two digits, this one is three digits, two digits and three digits, right? So in this 85 and 60 are of two digits. Okay, now we have to find out which one is smaller in this, which one is smaller in these two numbers 85 and 60. Just check the first digit of these numbers now, 8 and here 6. Which one is smaller? 6 is smaller. So first we have to write 60. Yes, after that definitely this number will going to come. Second is 85. After that, in this two, which one is smaller? 142 and 110. Now here just check the first digit. Here 1 is there, here also 1 is there. Now if the first digit is same, then go to the tens place. Here 1 is there, here 4 is there. Now which one is smaller in this one? So 110 here written and 142 last. So for arranging the numbers from smaller to the bigger is called as the ascending order. Okay, now let's move to the decreasing order. Decreasing order is also called as the descending order. Decrease means what? To come down. Yes or no? So arranging the numbers from biggest to the smallest, arranging the numbers to the biggest to the smallest is called as the descending order. And let's consider this D as a dinosaur, and dinosaur was very big animal, right? So here we have to start it with the bigger with to the smaller one. First we have to write bigger number and last we have to write smaller number. Okay, let's solve this example. 76, 14, 32, 125. As I told you, when you are comparing numbers, first see whether the number is of two digits or three digits, because three digits is greater and two digit is smaller. Now we have to arrange it in the descending order. Now descending order means first which number will going to come? Bigger number will going to come. So let's find out which one is bigger in this. This is of two digits, this is of two digits, this is also of two digits, and this is of three digits, right? So this number is bigger, so that we have to write first. 125 is bigger. Now three numbers left. In these three numbers, this all are of two digits, and which one is greater in this 7 is greater, right? So 76, so this we have to write second. So 76. The next in these two digits, two number 14 and 32, which one is bigger? As we have to arrange it in the descending order, we have to find greater one or the bigger one, 32. So then we have to write 32, and last one number left, that is 14. So last number we have to write 14. Understood? So here also you can see in these balls, here in ascending order they arrange the balls from smaller to the bigger, so it is ascending order, and descending order bigger to the smaller. Okay, so and one thing I told you, A and D, A for ant, D for dinosaur, means smaller to the bigger, and dinosaur means very big, so bigger to the smaller one. Okay, like this you have to solve this exercise, very easy. What you have to find out? We have to arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order, both orders. Once you find out the once you written this in ascending order, what you have to do? Yes, write it reverse, that it will be a descending order for you. Okay, let's solve this question now. Ravi has collected 165 stamps Sonam has collected 178 stamps and Kavya has collected 139 stamps. So 165, 178, 139. Okay, write the number of stamps in ascending order. Now ascending order means smaller to the bigger. So who collected very less stamps? 165, 178 and 139. Just check the first digit. 1 1 1. First digit is same, then second digit, and we have to find out the smaller one, as we have to arrange it in the ascending order. 6 7 3. So this one is smaller, so 139. Okay, the next, this completed, two numbers left, 165, 178. Second digit here 6, here 7. So this one is smaller, so 165, and last 178. Write in the given blank who among the three has the least number of stamps. Now we have to write who is having the least number of stamps. Least means very less. Now who is having less? First one, 139. Who's this? Kavya. So here we have to write Kavya. Thank you.